Well, I'm hungry.
I'm starving.
I'm hungry. PD님, 미션 없어요? 역시 미션. One, go! Don't look. Okay, now we'll go with this one. Okay, ready? 2, 3, go! You only have 5? I have 10. Nope, wait, nope. I have 20. Nope, wait, nope. If you want a game against me, I'll give you 10.
All right, let's try it.
가위바위보.
Tum tum tum. Oh. Tum tum tum. Tum tum tum. Ah!
참참참. 가위바위보.
Ah.
참참참.
Ah.
Okay.
Now I'm left with nothing.
Okay. So we're gonna do a taste test, and whoever loses has to sleep outside. And then, I mean, we're here, you got your money, right? I mean, I'm super excited. So, you know, let's have fun today. Welcome to the super mall. Not really. 라면. 그래, 뭐 여기 왔는데 맛있는 거 먹어야지. 15,950원이요? 이걸로 계산해 주세요, 제 거. 와, 4,000원.
1,110원이요? 네. 네. 감사합니다. 네.
BIG라는 그룹 아세요? 죄송해요. 모르시네. That was a tiring walk. Whoever's the store should get us a car. Your main menu?
We got us some steak.
My main menu. Kimchi 볶음밥.
With spin.
Yep. Fire! What?
He's gonna burn down the entire tent.
It's rice. It's rice. Alright. Oops. Burn it.
아이고. Well, I think it's done.
We're gonna have a cookout where everybody is invited, and the loser has to cook all the meat.
All the meat?
Mm-hmm. Yes, we are here on Tour versus Tour Food Challenge here at the campgrounds of our glam camping glorious experience. And we have our lovely judges for today, the owner of our campground and his lovely daughters.
안녕하세요.
먼저 볶음밥을 한번 맛봐 주시겠어요?
맛있어요?
맛있어? 맛있어요? 한번 제가 일부러 이걸 요리할 때 그냥 요리하진 않고 참기름을 듬뿍 넣고 저기에 김을 추가하면 고소한 맛이 나거든요. 네.
맛있지?
우와.
좀 안 되는데요?
The meat's pretty good.
우와! 에이, 이게 뭐예요 이게? 진짜요? 아니 이런데 무슨 분 나올 리가 없어요. 한 표잖아요.
나는 둘 다 맛있어요.
안 돼.
둘 다 맛있어요.
하나 고르세요.
어쩔 수 없어요. 난 고기가 좋아서. 이렇게.
예! 감사합니다.
어우 장난 아니다 진짜. 한번 잘라서. 너무 센 것 같기도 한데. Good and good. 아이스크림도 주시잖아요. We had everyone here for a great feast, and it's all thanks to our show. What's the name of our show? Tour versus Tour. 맛있게 먹겠습니다. 와우. so tired right now.
Oh, it's time for bed.
It is. I can't wait to just go in there.
But stop.
No, no. You're kidding, right? What am I gonna sleep on? Are you serious? Hey! This is how they treat their tour guides here. Tour versus tour. Ugh.